Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the next video. So today we are going to discuss about how to create a table in PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so if you are a beginner and if you don't know how to create the table, so in this video you'll just learn how you can create table easily. So I'll just delete this one and suppose you have made one slide here and you want to add another slide which contains table. Then what you should do is you should not add the normal slide. You just go to here, you just click here home, and after that you can see option new slide. Just click on this drop down. Then you can see a lot of options: title slide, title and content, section header, to content comparison, title only, and blank. So it depends on your choice which you want to select. But for creating table, what I think the ideal one is blank. You just select a blank here. So like this, just tap on that one, then blank slide will be added to your presentation. Now my blank slide is ready. Now I have to create a table on top of this one. So what I can do, just click on this insert. You can see here insert, then you can see a table option here. Okay, so just click on this table, and in here you can see once you drag your cursor on top of this one, you can see a table is being created. So it consists basically 1 2 3 4 rows and 4 rows and 5 columns. I think yes, 5 columns. So if you want to increase its size, then you can see 5 cross 5. Here you can see 4 cross 3 on the top of that table you are seeing, right? So see it on the left hand side, guys. 4 cross 3, that means 4 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so after that it is like 5 cross 4, and this is 2 cross 2, 2 rows 2 columns, and this is 2 cross 1, that means 1 row and 2 columns. Basically first it is showing you the rows, that is first it is showing columns, 2 columns and 1 row, 2 columns 2 rows, 2 columns 3 rows. So this is one of the method. If you want to do it like this, you can do it. So I will just select here 4 cross 4 table, just tap on that one, then 4 cross 4 table will be ready on this side. So this is one of the method, guys. And if you want to change its color, and if you want to increase the size, of course you can do all those things. Just left click on this one and just drag it like this, drag it from all the sides, and its size will be increased, something like that. And if you want to type in something, like you can first give serial number, after that you can give a name, after that you can give marks, after that you can give percentage, and it depends, guys, what you want to do. And you can just click on this one, click on this one, click on this one, and the serial number you can fill 1, and the name maybe anything. I'll just take it as Sham I will take, and marks he has got 50, and percentage is also 50 because he was attending for 100 marks, and he has got 50%. So like this you can fill up all those things. This is one method, guys, how you can create a table. Now I will just show you some more methods. Like if you want to change the background color of this one, just select this cell and you can see here color, guys. Just click on this drop down, then you have to click on here and you can see different colors. And if you want yellow, then of course you can take yellow from here, right? So basically from here you can take. So like this you can do, guys. And if you want to change the pen color and something else, if you want to change the shadings, you can change here, right? If you want blue, you can take blue. If you want this one, you can take this one. If I want to change the color of this shell, then I have to go again to the shading, and after that click on this drop down and just select this one. Now the color has been changed. And if I want to change it something like this, I can change, and again I can change. So you can keep on changing until you are satisfied, guys. So that is up to you. And if you want to change the borders, you can change borders. You can see all borders, and you can see here all borders were made as black. And if I want to make it the same thing for this one, I can do. Okay, so you just select this one, and again, okay, so outside borders you can do, only the outside borders will be changed. So it depends on you how you want to customize that one. So you can just play around these things at any time. And there are effects like cell. Okay, so if you want to make it something like this, like a button structure, you can do. If I want some other design for this one, I can do. Okay, so I'll just go here. Okay, I will go to the effects and I'll take the shadow effect, something like this. So you can see shadow effect has been applied, and if I want something like this, alright, so I'll just apply that one. So you can see the structure is changing, something like there. I mean, you can just go through these things if you want. Okay, so there are a lot of things, guys. What you can do is pen color will be changed, and one point after that the lines which you are drawing, they can change. So there are a couple of bunch of things which you can just do. And if you click here, you can see a ton of predefined themes which you can use easily. So if I want to import this one, just click on that one, then everything will be imported, something like this. And if you don't want that one, this, yeah, of course you can import that one as well. So there are predefined styles which can be used easily by each and everyone. Okay, now this is one of the method how you can create the table. Now I will delete this one and I will try to explain the second method, guys. So just select this, select like this and click delete, everything will be gone. Boom. Okay, so now I will show you the second method to create the table. Just again go to the insert, go to the table and insert table. You can see option here. By clicking on that one, you can see number of columns and number of rows it is asking. So it depends on you what you want to create. So let us say you want 5 columns and you want 5 rows as well. So just fill up number of rows and number of columns, just click OK, then again the same thing will happen. So by default this type of table will be created, and again you can stretch this thing out and you can do a lot of options depending on the application on which you are working. So like this you can create a table in PowerPoint presentation. So note that I'm using 2007. So if you are using 2010, then it may possible that the predefined styles still may have increased in your case, because it is always upgrading. The Microsoft will be always upgrading its products. So it is possible that you will be having a bunch of other options which you are able to see here, but the basic things are already covered. So that's it for the today, guys. And thanks for watching. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel.